Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to explain about journal approval or cancel. This function is being accessed by the authorized users to verify business transactions that already entered into the journals. On top of the menu, we have Toolbar panel. This inquiry button is to show the data. Save memo for the save remarks of the journal, approval, approval cancel, output, and journal entry as a jump menu to journal entry program. The important field here is the accounting date period. You may enter the other criteria such as approval status, entry employee, or entry department. The blue areas right over here are called help. Means you may enter the first characters of the letters and the system will find you to the closest result. For example, if we type ACC on the entry department, the system will bring you to accounting and finance. For example, we are looking for journals made by Sena from accounting and finance. Click inquiry to show the data. Select the journal you wish to proceed. Enter the memo if it's necessary. Choose manual approval date if you want to adjust the approval date, or else the system will automatically choose the default one according to the entry's date. Let's check the difference. Choose the manual approval date and click Approve. You may see that your journal is already approved if you have the approval journal number. To reverse the process or to cancel the approval, click Approval or Cancel. The journals will not be deleted from the system, but it will not appear on approval journals. Let's re-approve and let's see the approval date. The approval date has matched with the entry date. If you click one of the journal entry number, you'll be able to check the details of the transaction on journal entry details. All the information from the description, cost department, budget unit, evidence, and the dimension information related to the transactions are all here. If you double-click on the left side of the table and click Journal Entry, the system will bring you to Journal Entry program. That's the final of Journal Approval or Cancel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.